In the name of Allah, the Merciful, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching another video of ATP airguns. We are come out for hunting, and weather is very cold, and we saw some green pigeons on the top of a tree. I hope we are hit one green pigeon with deadly shot. Let's see what happens to us. If you are new on this video and interested to watch hunting videos for entertainment, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of our next videos. Unbelievable. In this shot, pellet perfectly hit on target, but this bird was very strong. I was shocked to see bird fly away, but bird traveling some distance and drop down, which was our luck. And we got the bird, but I'm still wondering. Stay with us and enjoy the next shots.
हाँ
चल
हाँ
In this shot, probably bird got little damage and bird fly away. Dove dropped down far away and not found. This thing's part of game. If you watch full video and enjoy all the shots, please like this video and share with friends and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Stay blessed and thanks for watching. Inshallah. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz Pakistan Zindabad.